Okay, we're screen sharing my iPhone, I think. You see that there. So on the bottom, I'm going to hit share screen. Okay, this is what I want you to see. Hi, I was asked if someone with an iPhone or iPad can share photos in a Zoom conference, which is run by someone who has the basic account. I would assume so, but I always like to check and see the answers. So I'm Sheila Finkelstein of Technology for Seniors Made Easy. And what you see is me mirroring my iPhone on my computer. So although it looks like I move the mouse can't do anything, I'm using my fingers. So when I hit shared screen on the bottom of in Zoom, on the bottom of the iPhone window, this menu pops up. It's different from recording on the computer and sharing on the computer when you can just go back and forth. Here, every time you go, you must get that menu. So I'm tapping on photos and it's going to go into my photos album. You'll see I take a lot of photos. So I'm going to tap on one photo, tap lightly, well, it should be selecting it, but I don't want just the one photo. I want to go back. Sometimes I take a lot of cloud photos. Okay, now I have one. That one was a couple I saw in bed. Then I saw this powerful person. I was out on a neighborhood walk. This is another sunset neighborhood walk. I was sharing the different photos, and I will go up to when I got my iPad, my iPhone and my iPad, I got a very, okay, and I wonder if it will actually share a video also. That last one I clicked, number 7, is a video. So now I'm hitting done. Do I start share? This will stop other screen sharing. Do you want to continue? Well, then I don't know if we're going to see that. Oh, because that's the video. No, that isn't. That's okay. Here we go. I'm now just sliding to show the photos. And I wanted to see, oh, I thought that was a video. I simply made it, wrote on it with a program called Typerama. It was Happy Mother's Day. And I thought I created a video with that. So we'll have to check that another time. Anyway, bottom line, let's see how this video comes out. And I am, well, it says, I'm viewing view options up here, view options. But to Windows side-by-side mode, it's on the side-by-side mode. Now I'm going to stop the participant sharing. And we're back to me. Well, let's see how this video comes out. And then I will give it to my friend Alice and ask her to see if when she tries it with her phone on a computer or has a friend come on and do it. And we'll see if in fact I can do it. So thank you for watching. If you need help, I love helping, sharing, answering questions. My website is technologyforseniorsmadeeasy.com. And you can email me at sheila@technologyforseniorsmadeeasy. Thanks for joining me. And I look forward to connecting you in some way in the future. Bye.